Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm here to do my 100 Leetcode challenge. Today we have Leetcode 804, unique Morse code words. International Morse code defined a standard encoding where each letter is mapped to a series of dots and dashes. As follow, A maps it to dot dash, and B maps it to this one, and C is another one. So the orders is in here, the translation. So A is here, B is the second one, C all the way to Z for every letters. So now this question is inputting an array of string. So we can translate every single string to a Morse number, Morse code. And the question is asking how many unique Morse code in this string, in this array. So in this case, so GIN will translate it to this string based on this code. So now we go to G and search that Morse code translation and go to I, translate it, and N, translate it. So everything add up become this. So in the same time, Zen will look the same after translation. So this count as one Morse code. And GIG and same as MSG. So that the total of this input have two unique Morse code. So let's take a look at this. First, we let's see, we make this one as something that we can use. I put it into array. It's called string arrays tables equal to this one. So next time we can call it. So after this, we loop through every string in here and put it in the set. So set will contain all the unique translation. So we have a set of string equal to, and we'll loop through every string in word. Now we need to create a new translation, so we can use the string builder. Capture the translation, and now we have individual string right now, but we need to look through every single character in it. Character C inside string to character array. So this method will break the string down to individual character array. So we loop through that array to capture every character. Now you have C. We'll go to, there's something called ASCII code. ASCII code looks like this. So now as A character is pointing to 91, and B is 98, C is 99. So it's counting all the way to Z to capture all 26 characters. So in here, if it's A, we capture 0. Now we can do current append a table A C minus A. So this will capture the index of that character. For example, if A minus A, it will be 0 because A in here, that character is 97, and also this character is 97. So 97 minus 97 will be 0. So if here is B, B will be, ASCII code will be 98, and B minus A will be 1. So if they're looking for something in here, the table 1 will be the translation of B character. Same to all the character in here. So we have 26 in this table. So we're looking for that and put this inside the string builder. So after that, we put everything in the string builder. We will have a unique translation. Then we put that inside now current is string builder. We need to make it as a string. So use this method. Put it to the set. So the set will capture all the unique one. Last, we will return the size of set. Then we'll represent the unique number of the translation. That should be it for this question. Yeah, that's it. Pretty straightforward one, but just the fact that we have to copy this one and make it by ourselves. So this might take a little bit long time and it's not really convenient to do it. It's a code. So that's about it for this question. If you have any question, please comment it below and I will see you in the next video. Bye.